Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Acids and bases can be tricky, but we are going to solve this pH problem in record time. Let us find the right answer together. First, we must remember that the pH scale is defined by the negative logarithm of the hydronium ion concentration. This mathematical relationship determines how acidic or basic a specific solution is. Because of that negative sign in the formula, as the pH value increases, the concentration of hydronium ions must actually decrease. They move in opposite directions, so keep that rule handy. Looking at our samples, the one with the highest pH must have the lowest hydronium concentration. That makes option A the only correct choice here. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check steps.